After today's Bitcoin and crypto capitulation, it looks like we're seeing a very nice reversal hammer candle that we discussed on the Moon Show with Carl, saying that look, after major capitulation events, usually you get a huge reversal candle, and well, prices tend to go up from there. But of course, it doesn't mean that you didn't get completely wrecked and destroyed, because we definitely did. So today we're going to be trying to calm you down. If you want a full story of what really happened and why the prices of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies dumped, you can go ahead and click that card at the top right hand section to today's Moon Show, because we went through it in detail. But today I just want to, in this video specifically, talk about Bitcoin in the short term, talk about altcoins in the short term, and see what you think is going to happen, Carl.
I think after a major liquidation event like this, usually you see a recovery. So I think logically that should happen, because I mean, it just, how can people sell more now? Like, we lost everything.
Yeah, we lost. It was, in fact, the biggest liquidation event, I think, in crypto history. So we saw the comparison on the Moon Show, and apparently the liquidation, even though like this candle and this drop, it's only 15% on Bitcoin. It doesn't feel like it's a lot, but the truth is, altcoins got decimated, and they caused, I think it was like, they on paper it's like $2.5 billion in liquidations, but Bybit CEO Ben, he said it's more so like 10, 15. And I think it's even more than that. And it's actually more than FTX, and it's more than the COVID crash. So if you have some sort of cash on the side, if you're not exposed to this crypto crash and lost everything in long positions, or, I mean, your portfolio is probably recovering, but if you have any sort of cash on the side, then I would highly recommend considering to buy Bitcoin and buy your favorite altcoins right now, and just add it and hodl it for 2, 3, 4 months, because I see a lot of similarities to the capitulation that occurred there with the Japanese yen carry trade to what is going on now, especially if we can close this daily candle in 9 hours time as a reversal candle.
Exactly. So after major capitulation, you usually see a massive recovery. So if people want to trade that, where do they trade?
They can go to the links down in the description below with Coinflare, Bybit, and Weeks, with Bybit specifically. And I think this is so relevant if you guys are not exposed to crypto yet, because I figured out that a lot of you don't really own crypto. And it's been a good idea in the past 24 hours, but I think in the next 3 to 4 months, it won't be such a good idea to not be exposed to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. What you have to do is go to Bybit, and actually you can buy crypto for the first time using fiat. That is the cool thing. And you can even do bots, which auto dollar cost averages into Bitcoin or your favorite cryptocurrency without you having to do anything. So links are in the description below. But dude, Bitcoin is okay, but I capitulated the hell out of Ethereum when we saw the fake out. Then I said, okay, we're testing back support, and hopefully we should be fine, and hopefully we're going to mimic what happened here. But oh no, we dumped to $2.1 thousand. We dropped 40%. 40% we dropped.
Yeah, absolutely insane. So I've not seen this since, I don't remember when I saw that last time. Like, that's
did you sell your Bugatti to buy Ethereum?
I did not sell my Bugatti, but I mean, it would be probably a good idea to do so. Yeah, like, this is insane.
I'm lost for words.
Yeah, I kind of forgot that that Ethereum can do things like this.
Like, I mean, if you want to know my true feelings about Ethereum, go to my Twitter. I've done a lot of hate posting to Ethereum. I might get sued by the Ethereum Foundation at any point for hating against it, but it's just lost me a lot of money, and I think it's completely terrible, and that's exactly why it's probably going to go to the moon now. So I'm not going to tell you to buy Ethereum because, well, we messed up there a little bit, but it's probably going to go up. So make your own choices with Ethereum here, but I just think I hate it. But it's going to go up eventually.
It's probably going to pump from
after
here.
After capitulating everyone in the world.
Usually that's what happens after these kind of events. So it's just,
It's life, guys. It's crypto. If this is your first cycle, get used to it. Bitcoin, I mean, again, like I said, it's only gone down 10, 15%, not a huge deal. We do have some sort of like a double top forming here, but look, if you don't go below $90,000, then I don't see any point of worry. I think just consolidation and then price going to the upside eventually. The Trump tariffs, if you go to the Trump tariffs, I think they're important, right? You can go to the dollar and the Dixie. The dollar is at a high. It's at a tremendous high. and $1 almost equals €1. That's how the Trump tariffs really affected the dollar. But we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. I think markets are still uncertain on the outcome of what's going to happen with these tariffs. But I just don't think it makes any sense. But I also believe that Trump is not stupid. And it could, and I think in the mid to long term, it's going to play out to be genius in some way, and everything is going to continue pumping. But again, like I said, we did a full deep dive into why we believe those things over on the Moon Show. I put the card. I'll also put a link in the description if you want to watch the full stream and see how we cover all cryptocurrencies and why this happened from A to Z. But with that said, Carl, thank you so much for joining. Crypto Kids, hang in there. Don't worry so much. It's okay. This is just another capitulation event. It's okay. It happens and you'll get over it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Try and take it chill tonight, and I'll see you all on the next video / live stream tomorrow. So take care. And as always, bye-bye.